SethMSiegel, Let There Be Water, Israel's Solution for a Water-Starved World. In the face of arid environments and scarce rainfall, Let There Be Water, Israel's Solution for a Water-Starved World, by Seth M. Siegel explores how Israel transformed its water management strategies to become self-sufficient and even generate a surplus. Key insights include the cultural attitude of water mindfulness, innovation in irrigation techniques, sewage treatment, desalination, and water diplomacy. This book's summary illuminates how Israel turned necessity into opportunity by embracing technology, efficient water practices, and global partnerships.
Israel's water mindfulness. Israel, a desert nation with 60% coverage of the desert, provides a fascinating lesson in wise water usage. Israel has enough surplus water to export to its neighboring countries. Israel's success starts with its appreciation of the need to respect water. The mindful use of water in Israel is taught in schools where students learn strategies to minimize water usage. Jewish prayers for rain are recited 3 times a day as it has been for centuries. Water is featured on the country's currency and stamps. The country's greatest water resources are located in the far north, along the borders with Lebanon and Syria. However, the heavily populated areas of Tel Aviv and the southern Negev Desert were water deficient, which led to the development of the National Water Carrier Project. Completed in 1964, the project represented a giant leap in achieving water self-sufficiency. Israel's water mindfulness has been a crucial aspect of managing water shortages and provided the foundations for the nation's long-term plan for self-sufficiency in water usage. Revolutionizing agriculture with drip irrigation and sewage water treatment. Jewish water engineer Simcha Blassa's discovery of a small leak in an irrigation pipe led to the invention of drip irrigation, which revolutionized agricultural water use in Israel and worldwide. Before Blassa's discovery, flood irrigation was the accepted method of watering crops. However, drip irrigation saves water while doubling crop output, allowing more food to be produced while making more water available for household use and raising living standards overall. Israeli scientists also pioneered the treatment and reuse of sewage water. Using sand aquifer treatment, sewage can be used to supply a third of the water needed for agriculture. Over 85% of Israel's sewage water is reused, saving over 100 billion gallons of water every year. Saltwater solution. Since Israel's inception in 1948, water scarcity has plagued the country. Scientists spent years attempting to desalinate seawater, with little success. However, in 1966, reverse osmosis was introduced by a Jewish-American chemical engineer called Sidney Loeb. It is a technique where water is pushed through a membrane that causes pure water to move one way while salt molecules move in the opposite direction. This technology was the practical desalination solution that Israel had desperately needed. Today, desalination has proved integral in shaping Israel's water profile and has enabled the country to withstand the driest weather conditions while facilitating fair water distribution and peaceful relations with neighboring countries. Israel's success in water conservation. Israeli water science is an excellent example of success, with water conservation techniques like desalination and drip irrigation. The country's domestic success has contributed to the establishment of a thriving global export industry. One such Israeli firm, Bermad, has introduced a water metering device that controls water usage, preventing even a drop from getting wasted. Bermad has sold its solution in 80 countries and employs over 600 people. In addition to exporting their expertise, Israeli water technology companies also provide support to their neighboring countries like Jordan and the Palestinian National Authority to provide clean, safe, and potable water, as well as to train them in new solutions. Israel's water diplomacy. Israel's expertise in water technology has led to successful diplomatic relationships with China and many other nations. Israel's global diplomatic isolation due to hostility from neighboring Arab nations is well known. However, Israel's sharing of water technology has enabled it to form new international bonds, as evidenced by its relationship with China. Despite Arab oil being important to China and the United States being an Israeli ally, the Chinese government invited Israeli water engineers in the mid-1980s to assist with an irrigation plan for the Wuwei district. Thus, Israel had something China needed, and this led to an official diplomatic relationship between the two nations. Water plays a central role in Israeli diplomacy with both wealthy and developing nations, and Israel has shared its irrigation techniques with over 100 countries worldwide. Israeli company Tahal is a specialist in water technology solutions for the developing world, designing supply systems for urban areas and irrigation plans for agricultural land. Even developed regions like Los Angeles have sought help from Israel in addressing polluted groundwater sources. In summary, Israel's proficiency in water technology has led to successful diplomatic relationships with China and many other countries worldwide. The 3 pillars of Israel's success. Israel's success in becoming independent from climate conditions and confident in its abundant reserves of water can be attributed to 3 key factors. Firstly, central government management of water ensures an accurate picture of resources. Secondly, unsubsidized real pricing encourages consumers to use water wisely. Finally, Israel supports innovation in water technology, with over 200 water innovation startups launched in the past decade. The government acts as a catalyst for many new water ventures by offering financial incentives, and municipal water utilities receive financial incentives for implementing new technologies. With the government playing a central role in water management, ensuring consumers pay real pricing, and promoting innovation in water technology, Israel has achieved impressive success in water conservation.
Israel's achievements in water management offer valuable lessons for countries facing their own water challenges. With a culture emphasizing water mindfulness, innovative approaches in irrigation and sewage treatment, and breakthroughs in desalination, Israel not only overcame its water scarcity issues but also turned its expertise into a booming export industry. Furthermore, by sharing its water technology with nations worldwide, Israel has forged new international bonds and played a role in mitigating water crises in other regions. These strategies demonstrate the importance of fostering innovation, responsible pricing policies, and international cooperation in addressing and managing water resources.